Hi, so you are looking for a way to import a car from South Korea. Premium and luxury brands, high quality cars. Our company, All Trader Korea, offers high quality inspection of exported cars. So what we do is we inspect and document the condition of each vehicle that we export, and for inspection we use such tools as paint thickness gauge, then scanner, also endoscope to reach and see very tight places, especially when we are checking engines for oil leaks. So today we are inspecting this Audi A6 Premium 2022 with 50,000 kilometers on it. The current price for this car is 50 million won, and the currency exchange to $1 is about 1,400 won per $1. So my name is Mark, and I work for All Trader Korea, the company that specializes in export of used and new cars from South Korea. Basically reach to me and I will I will help you to buy a car from South Korea.